Okay, we have the Module 4 reality check here. This is an application of systems of equations, and we're looking at farm animals. So we have Bob, who's a farmer in Utah who currently raises turkeys and cows. He's 22 years old, which makes it easy for him to remember that he owns a total of 22 animals. He also remembers that the sum of their legs is 56, because that is his father's age. Assume no animals are injured or have extra legs. Now we need to write a system of equations that can be used to determine how many of each type of animal Bob has. Hint, you should have one equation related to the total number of animals and one for the total number of legs. So we know he has 22 total animals and 56 legs. So what we're going to do is we're going to have T be one of the variables and C be another, because then we can see, okay, T stands for turkeys and C can stand for cows. So we know together if we add up all the turkeys and all the cows, we're going to have 22 total animals. So T plus C equals 22. Now the sum of their legs is 56. Well, how do we figure that out? We know turkeys have 2 legs, so we can just say, okay, 2 legs times every turkey there is. We know cows have 4 legs, so we'll say 4 legs times every cow. And if we add those together, we're going to get the 56 total legs. So that's this first part. Now for the second part, we need to solve this system. Now to solve this, you could solve by substitution. You could solve for either T or C on this top equation and then substitute it in. You could also solve using the elimination or the addition method, where you get the variables to be the same but different. But I'm going to let you go ahead and do that. And then the second equation is kind of similar. You're going to need to set up 2 separate equations and use the information there to help you. If you're still stuck, please reach out and I'd be happy to help.